tell you, you're gonna love this one. No, seriously, you're gonna love this one.
I wish that you were mine.
What can I say, man? Listen to this new cat, yo. Yo, Pat. Kick it, man. Alright, man, let's do this.
Hello everyone, this is Harry from Edencraft down at Moolap. We have a beautiful 565 to present to you today, and it's Matt's boat, and Matt is from Sydney, New South Wales. Matt's been putting together this boat for a while in his own head. He met us up on the East Coast tour last year and decided this is the boat for him. So we put something together in conjunction with his thoughts, obviously carefully treading through the whole process, and here we have the result. So with Matt's boat, we've gone for a 225 ProXS. What that means is it's a V8, so you can get a 225 in a V6 and you can get a 225 ProXS in a V8. The reason for it is not that we're getting any more top end speed, it's the torque levels throughout the whole range, and because he's a diver, he's going to have 3 or 4 mates on board. He's going to be loading the boat a fair bit in all sorts of conditions, and just needs that torque from low to mid range to carry all that weight and get him to his destinations. So these are the platforms we've designed for Matt and for all divers. I suppose anyone can have them on the 565s. So we've made sure there's a lot of real estate here, so there's a lot of area you can sit your bum on. You've got a nice 32mm grab rail to get yourself up on. I'm sure Matt's going to love it. You can see this boat's been presented with a beautiful black gel coat and a white wave breaker. We were going through the motions whether we go with a black wave breaker or white, but I think the white just sets it right off and presents beautifully. The dive ladder, so we've got 2 ladders available for all our for all our models basically, but the dive ladder especially is a special little ladder that basically sits flush on your dive door platform, so divers can slide off and get into the water without tangling up on anything basically. So you'll see what we've got on this boat. Although Matt's a diver, he's also opted for snapper racks, obviously the bait board, which is a necessity, grab rail on the bait board. Your rocker launch is all 32mm, once again, highly polished stainless steel, and all the little luxuries inside, including a 16-inch Simrad unit, coupled with an SS175. The 175 high wide basically does everything down to 200 meters, and for most people, especially divers, that's more than enough. On behalf of everyone down here at Edencraft International, I'd just like to say thank you very much, Matt, for joining the family, and we look forward to seeing all your adventures on the socials.
Let's go for more to the job, to the beat non-stop. Who's on the mic to the work it up? It's the wicked MC, a local gypsy. When you get it, with the 1, 2, 3, check 1. Like a bullet from a gun, but the iron screws to get the move on. So they do what you do, with the do what you like. And the poppin', yes, don't give a shite, don't give a shite, don't give a damn. Dylan Roach and his transit van, gonna rock the place, I'm gonna break your face. This MC.